So today we are going to discuss about football tournaments. You know football tournaments.
Yes.
So now it is football season. So I just try to discuss with you about football. So the most played or most lovable football tournament is FIFA World Cup. It is number one in the world. So this is the trophy of the football FIFA World Cup trophy. You can see, and you know what is FIFA? What? দেখতে পাচ্ছ না? Federation International the Football Association, and I think it has an English name. It is not English. Okay, let's have a try. What is FIFA? So the name is like this. There is no other name maybe. Federation International de Football Association. Okay. Federation International de Football Association. Okay. So Federation International Football Association. Okay, next. Now you are here. Yeah. So first thing is that the first most played and most enjoyed football cup is FIFA World Cup. It was founded at 1930, about 91 years ago. So region is international, that means the whole world. I think you can't see the screen maybe. Yeah. Can you see now? Yeah. So it was founded in 1930, 91 years ago. Region is the whole world, and every tournament there will be 32 teams. Okay. And current championship is France, and most successful team is Brazil. 5 titles. Titles means winner. They win 5 times, and the current champion is France. Okay. So there is a lot of question. What is FIFA? Okay. And what it is, and you know, Federation International Football Association, and this is the cup. This is the cup. Trophy. Sorry.
Boss, I have a question.
Yeah.
What means current?
Current means now. Who is the champion now? Who is the champion now? Current means now.
Okay, boss.
The last final was in Russia. So France was champion in that match, final match. So it is called current champion. Current champion means the last game was happened in maybe 2018 or 19. I forgot actually. So in Russia. So they won the final match. So they are the winner. So it is called current champions. And most successful teams means they win the FIFA World Cup trophy for 5 times. Okay, titles means winner, 5 times winner. And it was founded in 1930. And number football teams will be 32. Okay, in every tournament there will be 32 teams. So now I am going to discuss after the World Cup trophy. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 continents, and there is no Antarctica. You see, because there is no human in Antarctica. There is no people in Antarctica. There is not enough people in Antarctica to play football. So there is no football team or confederation. So from each of 6 continents there are 6 confederation. Confederation means it is an institution who organize championship trophy like World Cup trophy. World Cup is for the whole world. Okay, but this championship trophy is fixed for each continent. Like Asia has Asian Cup, and it organized by AFC. AFC is like a organization who organize the championship, this championship cup. Do you get me?
Yes, I get you.
Okay, so after World Cup trophy or World Cup tournament, these are the another championship tournament organized by 6 continent and 6 confederation organization, and these are the name of the championship. Asia organized the AFC from Asia. The AFC from Asia organized Asian Cup. Africa has two championship cup. One is Africa Cup of Nations and another is African Nations Championship. Okay. Then the next is from South America. It is Copa America. Okay. Today morning in your Bangladesh time, from at 6 a.m. there is a final match of Copa America. It was from Argentina and Brazil. It is between Argentina and Brazil. So I think some of you enjoyed the match, isn't it? Sorry?
Yes, we did.
Yeah. Okay, the next one is from North America. It is Gold Cup and National League. There is two cup. And from Oceania means what? Australia and New Zealand. Okay. So Nations Cup, and Europe is UEFA. Today has another championship. It's European Championship today. At my time is around 8 8 p.m. and I think in Bangladesh it will be 1 a.m. 1 a.m. After 3 hours later, there is a final match between England and Italy. Yeah, for this championship. Okay, it is UEFA championship. UEFA, and the championship tournament name is European Championship. So it is called as UEFA European Championship. Okay, and the final match is tonight 1 a.m. in your Bangladesh time, and it is between England and Italy. So these are the second most watchable or most lovable tournaments after World Cup, FIFA World Cup trophy tournament. So the next one, yeah,
You would be cheering for England, right?
yeah. My favorite is England today. So the next, it was Confederation, yeah. The cup international. So this is another championship trophy. It is called FIFA Confederation Cup. So these are all confederation. So the winner from this 6 Confederation Cup will play this next game. This one. Do you get me?
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
So winner from this 6 Confederation Cup will play the international FIFA Confederation Cup. So it is international again. Can you see?
Yes.
So the last champion was Germany, and most successful was Brazil again. Okay, I think you get everything, and now we just go to another thing. It is these are all club. These are called club. Club means private team, private football team. So these are the most best 10 best football club in the world. Barcelona from Spain, Real Madrid from Spain, Juventus from Italy, Bayern Munich. It is München, but it is called Bayern Munich from Germany, Chelsea from England, Sevilla from Spain, Manchester United from England, Arsenal from England, Liverpool from England, Milan from Italy. So I'm going to share you their this. So these are the 10 logo of the team. It is Arsenal, Manchester City. I think there was a Manchester United maybe. Yeah, this one Manchester United. I didn't tell this Manchester City. And Juventus, Liverpool, Paris. It is Saint. What is? I don't know the name. Okay, FC Bayern Munich, Barcelona, and this one what? Real Madrid maybe. Madrid Football Club maybe, and Manchester Chelsea. So I just told you about this. Yeah, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Juventus, Bayern Munich, Chelsea, Sevilla, and Manchester United, Arsenal, Liverpool, and Milan. Okay. So this is the position of players. I think when you watch your football match, you can have a concentration of this name. When there is a I don't know the name. धाराभाष्य करेंगे जी की commentator, sorry, commentator. You know commentator?
Yes, boss.
Yeah, who describe? Yeah, who describe everything what is going on in the match. So I was telling that when you watch the football match, you can have a concentration of this point, like center forward and center forward. It's left midfielder, center midfielder, center midfielder, right midfielder. So left fullback, center back, and right fullback, and goalkeeper. So this is your side. If this is your side, this will be back. The common name of this position is back, and this is midfielder, and this is forward. Okay. So the center position is called center back, and left is left fullback, right is right fullback, and this is midfield. So this is center midfield, left midfield, and right midfield, and this is forward, center forward, center forward. Do you get it?
Yes.
So the common is back, midfield, and forward. These three position: back, midfield, and forward. So the center is called center back, center midfield, center forward. Okay, and left is left fullback, right is right fullback, left is left midfield, right is right midfield. Is it easy?
Yes, boss.
Yes, it is easy.
Yeah. Okay. So it is goalkeeper. Okay, I'm going to introduce another the dimension or position. I am going to describe the dimensions of the football field. So it is goal area or 6-yard line. You see, it is 6-yard line or goal area, and it is also, and this is goal, and this is goal area, and this line is called 6-yard line, and it is also called penalty box. Okay, no, I think this is the penalty box. Sorry, this is the penalty box. So the first thing is that goal, the second thing is goal area, and where the goalkeeper always stand within it is called 6-yard line, and it is called penalty box. Okay, and it is called, yeah, this is called goal line. This line is goal line. Okay. Okay, I am going to this one. This is called corner arc or corner. Okay, when any ball go beyond this line, just touching the same team of this from this place, the opposite team will get a corner. So you need to kick your corner from this position or this position. So it is corner arc. Arc means this one is arc. This one, you can see This is called arc. This is also arc. You see, this is also arc. Arc means just a part of a circle. Okay,
Yes, boss.
do you get me? What is arc? Arc means small.
Part of the circle.
Yeah, this is the full circle. You can see the center circle. It is called center circle. So the arc is part of a circle. This is also arc. 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 So there are 6 arc in the football field. Okay, 1, 2, and at the 4 corner there is a corner arc. Okay, so I just describe you the goal and goal area and 6-yard line, goal line, and corner arc. Okay, so the second thing is that, yeah, penalty mark. When there is a penalty, you need to put your ball here and you need to kick to the goal. Okay, so it is called penalty mark. And this area I already told you, it is called penalty area. Okay, or penalty box. If any foul is happened within this place, then opposite team will get an opportunity to have a penalty from this position. Okay,
Yes, boss.
and this is penalty arc. This is also the area for if there is any accident within this area, the same scenario will happen. And this is center line. This is center line, and this is center circle. And this line, this 2 line is called side line. So I'm going to ask you, what is this line? What is this line? Can anybody tell me?
Sideline.
Sideline. Yeah, this is the sideline. Okay, and this line is called goal line.
Goal line.
Yeah, this is goal. This is goal area. This is penalty area. This is penalty mark, penalty arc, corner arc, center circle, center line. So there is not too much point you need to be remember. It is very easy, isn't it? What is this?
Shoes.
It is shoes, but it has another name. You can see it here. It is cleats of turf. These are the clips. You see?
Yes, boss.
This shoe is a special type of shoe for playing football. It is not like normal shoe. And this is called shin guard. Shin means the leg of your from above your foot. Above your foot, the part of your leg above your foot is called shin. So if you have any if your opposite team players try to silent please. If any of your opposite player of another opposite team if try to injure you by kicking in your shin, then it will help you to guard your shin. So it is called shin guards. Okay, and this is the football. This is the football. In Europe or in England, it is called saucer. You see saucer? Can you see it?
Yes, boss.
It is called saucer. SOCCER or soccer. It is soccer actually. Soccer, not saucer. Soccer. So you can see in the screen. It is soccer when It is called. It is soccer in Europe. Is there, and it is shocks everybody know. So I think I describe everything. Do you have any question? So do you know him?
Yes, boss.
Who is he?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Who's this Ronaldo? Cristiano.
Which country is he from?
Germany.
Portugal. Portugal.
Portugal.
Do you know him?
Yes, boss. Is
David Beckham from England. David Beckham from England. David Beckham. Do you know him?
Yes, boss. Maradona.
Maradona. Yeah. Diego Maradona. And he?
Lionel Messi.
Yeah, Messi.
Lionel Messi, Argentina.
Do you know him? His name is Pele. Pele, yeah, Pele. He's from Brazil and he is known as Kalomanic in our country. Kalomanic. Pele. Do you know him? His name is Ronaldo. Ronaldo. His name is Ronaldo from Brazil. Ronaldo, not Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho is slimmer, more slimmer. So, do you have any question?
Yes.
This is the Ronaldinho. You see?
Yes, boss. Isn't it the picture of
Messi.
This is Di Maria. He made the goal yesterday, today morning. You see?
Yes, boss.
And Angel Di Maria. This is Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Neymar Jr., Diego Maradona, Rivaldo, Kaká. His name is Kaká. Cristiano Ronaldo, Zinedine Zidane, and Zlatan Ibrahimovic, and I don't know his name. Luis Suarez, Roberto Carlos, Kylian Mbappe, Robinho, Robert Lewandowski. I think he is from Russia. So there are a lot of players. I think I can end this thing here. Can you? I think you can have a look of this video again. Then you can talk about this for this presentation actually. Okay.
okay.
Okay, boss.